set foot in America one fine October day. Sailing into Baltimore, well, everything's okay. New buttons on your jacket, shining like the brand new diamond, glistening in the sunlight, blistering my eyes. When you said that you loved me, I knew it wasn't true. I've 100 unread messages, but not a single note from you. You zoomed up to Philly, they taught you to make maps. They conversed you with piety and pitied any lapse. So you stormed into Pittsburgh and waited for the water to rise. Set sail down the Ohio with a lost tribe on your mind. When you said that you loved me, I know it wasn't true. After 300 unread messages, not a single note from you. As Hurricane Charlie was gathering pace, at night instead of violets I saw pictures of your face. Smiling in the moonlight, shining in the golden hour, bluffing round America, seizing every hour. You said that you loved me, I knew it wasn't true. Of 300 unread messages, not a single note from you. Sailed to the west, stopped in Cincinnati, dined with all the best. Reached the Mississippi, took another new Madrid. Fell into a maiden's arms, malaria on your lips. When you said that you loved me, I knew it wasn't true. I've 100 unread messages, not a single note from you. St. Louis, Kaskaskia on the way, walking through the wilderness, suckered by the day. Imaginary volcanoes, reptiles crawl around. The mind was big, just like a cake, as trouble gathered round. When you said that you loved me, I knew it wasn't true. 500 unread messages, but not a single note from you. And I'm just new to appear. Defected to the Spanish, she joined the mighty crowd. Up the Missouri, flags were coming down. Traded with the Omaha, the Bronca and the Sioux, but missed the last Paducas after all the value. When you said that you loved me, I know it wasn't true. I've 600 unread messages, not a single note from you. With a man, then he raised a Spanish flag, survived assassination, worked upon your maps. The lost tribe was a lost cause, and he cried asylum to you. Fled back to St. Louis, to a familiar frontier. When you said that you loved me, I knew it wasn't true. I've 700 unread messages, not a single note from you. The church bells that chill, the body of Don Evans is staying mighty still. You annexed North Dakota, you surveyed by the stars, but here lies your body by these disease-ridden bars. When you said that you loved me, I knew it wasn't true. I've 800 unread messages, not a single note from you. Minus 100 unread messages, not a single note from you.